In this lesson we want to work with the remaining functions. Okay, then here, so we have translate. Okay, so translate means it is used to translate the character wise in a given string, means a character by character. Okay, if the character is found, yesterday we done lpad rpad, right? So how it is going to add it? If plus then ltrim and rtrim. Okay, in that ltrim and rtrim, if the character is found, then only it is trim the character from the given string, right? But here, in the same manner, here I want to change the character by character. I want to change the character by character in given string whether the character is found. If the character is available in our string, then only it is going to change. Otherwise, it is not possible to change. Let us say we check it. First, we want to connect it with the prompt, SQL prompt. We have a SQL. Then now we set the environment. So now here we want to work with that respected translates. Here then listen. We want to apply the translate. So here I am specifying R12. This is my string. Okay, basically this translate is having the three parameters, three arguments. Parameters or arguments, both are same. Okay. So here now I want to find out, then when I am going to find out the O, I want to replace with M. Instead of O, I want to replace with M. Then let it be check it from DR. Oh, sorry. In Notepad, no need to require the semicolons. Automatically it is changed to the M. Means replace with our existing character. Suppose, say example, I have a one question. In my string, I have 2 A's, right? Now I want to replace that A. So how many times it is replaced? So automatically it is going to change whenever we are getting the A. Automatically it is changed to the M. Number of times. Suppose our string is having 100 characters. In that 100 characters, 10 characters are the found character. That all characters will be replaced with our new characters. Okay. So in this manner we are working with this respected translate. Suppose, say example, I have one more dot. I have one more question. Suppose I want to convert this OR. I want to convert this OR as a M. So how many characters I can specify? 2 characters. Let it be check it whether it is convert or not. It is converted. So here what happened means, but actually system is considered it is a single character. We want to pass 3 parameters. One is string, another one is character, another one is also character. But here we can specify the character within the colon. System recognized it is a character. Okay. Suppose here I have one more question. OA. we don't have any respected character which is having the OA. That is the reason it doesn't change. Then here, observe this one. Only it is considered the O. O as a M and or CL. Then observe this one. A does not consider. Even though A does not recognize it here. O is changed. O is changed to M. M and RCL. Okay. Then here A is there. Here A is there. Here A is there. A does not change it to anyone. So it is going to convert as empty. Means it is not recognized. Okay. It is not recognized. But here it is considered only for this O character. Suppose, say example, I am going to specify O as a M and A as a B. Let it be check it OA MB. That what happened? Then here it is going to convert it as character by character. Character by character. Always it is converted into character by character only. Character by character only. But it is not possible. So here we have even drawback. The drawback means we cannot possible to convert string by string. While using this translate, we can convert character by character. But my requirement is I want to convert string by string. Entire string I want to change. So here, say example, this respected string Oracle. This way we can possible. Observe this one. So here Oracle is EBS. Just entire string will be going to convert it into EBS. Okay, let it be check it. Then now machine is going to recognize this entire string as a one character. That will be converted as a EBS as a one character. It is not recognized as a string. Okay, here I am specifying only one string, right? I am not specifying multiple strings. But my requirement is I want to convert string by string. I want to convert string by string. So here that drawback will be occur in our translate. The Oracle people is introduce one more function that is called as a replace. That is called as a replace. So which is the drawback is coming in translate? That drawback will be override in replace. So here observe this. It is used to replace entire string. It is used to replace entire string. But it is not possible to replace more than one string. Even though here also we are getting one problem. Okay. Then first let it be how it is going to work. Check it. Replace. So here Oracle EBS apps. Oracle EBS apps. Then here I want to convert EBS entire string as ER. So in this first parameter, how many strings we pass? 3 strings. In this 3 strings, I want to convert this middle string. I want to convert into ERP. Entire will be converted into ERP. Let it be check it. What happened? Oracle ERP apps. But here also we have a drawback. The drawback is we cannot possible to convert more than one string. More than one string because of we have only 3 parameters. The syntax is restricted to pass only 3 parameters. We are not possible to pass more than 3 parameters. If in case is there any chance to pass more than parameters, then we can possible to change multiple strings. But here we don't have that option. All of you clear or not? So yeah, very simple here. Achieve that requirement. Suppose I want to convert more than one string. So then here it's a very important topic. Decode. It's a very important topic. In interview point of view, they are asking this question: what is a decode? How it is work? Okay. Then here, observe this one. It is used to replace more than one string. It is used to replace more than one string. So definitely that drawback is override in this decode option. Okay, but here observe this one. It work like as a if condition. All of you know if condition. So if condition, already I told you at the time of NVL function, if it is available, then we can pick it. If it is not available, then we can go for next pass. Same as per our real life generic words, they are going to implement it as a if condition. Okay, then here it work like as a if condition, but it does not allow the relational operators. What are the relational operators? Less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, greater than, less than, equal, not equal. These are all relational operators does not allow here. That is the drawback in this decode. Okay. Then let us say first of all we are going to working with how the decode is going to work. Let us now I'm going to specify here. This is the syntax we want to use. Select. Then here I'm going to specify the decode. Directly I can apply this decode function in my on our employee table. Okay, then observe this one. We have a select, suppose emp number, yeah, e name, job. Okay, then again I want to write, so this job. Okay, each and every person is having the job, clerk, manager, president, salesman, right? So, but at the time of retrieving, I want to see whether the job, if the clerk, it display the CL at the time of retrieving. Okay, if the salesman, if the person is salesman, it display the SM. If the president, it display the P. Okay, and if the person is the manager, display the MGR. This is my condition. Okay, this is our business requirement. How we can go to apply that logic in our query, right? So in this point of time, we can use the decode. We can use the decode. In this decode, this is the syntax. Syntax is started from condition, means syntax, keyword, decode. So which column you want to convert? We have 8 columns in our employee table. Which column you want to convert? Job. I want to convert job. Then now we can write the condition. Okay. So what is that? First, if you find out the clerk, you can display the CL. If you display the CL, then next, if you find out the salesman, it should display the SM. Right. Then next, if you specify the president, sorry, if you find out the president, then it is display the PR. Okay, PR. Next, if you specify the manager, then you display the MG or MGR. Where? Yes. Okay. For your understand purpose, I am writing this way, or else we can directly write within one query also. Okay, it is taking lengthy. That is the reason I can write it in down way. Okay. Now finally here, observe this one. I close this one. Okay. Here, this is one column, right? Is it accepted or not?
Yes,
it is a one column, right? For this entire column, I can specify alias name. I can specify alias name. Okay. Then here decode job. For this entire column, I can specify the alias name. Otherwise, it is taking as a column heading. That is the reason. Okay. Then now we can specify from EM. Let us say check it how we are getting the result. The result is showing correct. Sure. Observe carefully. Have you get the output is correctly? Some information is missing, right? Which information? then it is absolutely working as per our condition. If the president, it is converted into the PR, if the manager, it is converted into the MGR, if the clerk, it is converted into the CL, if sales manager, it is converted into the SM. But it is not converted as a analyst. But still I want to show as the analyst as the same analyst. I don't want to convert this analyst, but still it is showing null because of we miss one keyword that is called as a default keyword in our syntax. We need to specify the default keyword. What is the default keyword means? The entire syntax is going to show us what are the conditions is going to convert. Finally, I want to defaultly print the same job. This is the job. So finally, what is the job is there? The job entirely will be replaced the same line. Same job. Okay. So now let us re-execute. Clear? All of you. Then observe the syntax. First we can specify the keyword, decode. Next we can specify the which column you want to convert in our employee table, job, right? Next we can go to convert the strings, which strings you want to convert. Then finally, which one? Have you specified the job only? Suppose say example here, in that job I can give suppose maybe then sal, just I am giving sal. Okay, sal is a existing value. Suppose ABC, it is a default one, right? But observe this one. Have you get the error or get the output? Then observe. ABC is not available in our employee table. So at the time what we do? But still I want to default job is going to indicate ABC only. I don't want to display as an analyst. I want to display all default, which is not find out in our employee table. Here we have only 4 jobs will be converted. Suppose we have 100 jobs, I can convert it into the only 80 jobs. Remaining 20 jobs it is going to show as ABC only. I don't want to display as a same name of our job. Very simple. Here, no need to get it. Then here, yes. If you specify single quotes, then automatically, oh sorry. So here observe this one. Sometimes we are getting this error. Okay, it will be going to convert means coincide for your another people match. So no need to worry. Just you can copy this one. So before going to close this one, you can Control A, Control C. Better to copy. Okay, if in case any another program is involved in our SQL prompt, already you copied your content, just open the notepad and will be paste your content. Okay, so this is the common error. So server mismatching, that is the reason. So here, now I Control A means selected all content, Control C. Control C means copy. Okay, then now save the records and close it. Now we are getting the default value is 8. Suppose if you want to retrieve the default value as a job, you can print the same job. So what is the job is there in our employee table, the same job will be replaced. Suppose you can specify the colon for job, only it is display the job. Suppose instead of that job, instead of this default value, I can specify sal. What happened? It is a recognized, it is available in our employee table also. Have you got the salary? No? These are the cross questions, right? Interview point of view, they are asking this question. So maximum people, maybe we are getting the error. It is not getting any error because of it is available in our employee table. It is going to find out and it is going to return the data. That is the reason. Clear? Right? So in this scenario we are using the decode. All of you clear? But here what is the drawback? then decode is absolutely working for our requirement. My requirement is I want to change multiple strings, then it is working.
So if we write job as ABC, job ABC salary
yeah,
job space ABC.
only ABC.
So job space alias name ABC.
Job.
Space the same pen than clerical.
Okay, then here ABC, right? So here it is not working. Observe this one. The job will be going to, so here what exactly, this is the actual column that will be going to convert it into the ABC only. So for that purpose, why we want to use this one, we no need to require. If you want to print the default value, automatically we can directly use it. Yeah, definitely. We can work. But we no need to require. Why we want to write more characters? That is the reason, right? And one more thing. Then what is the drawback? Okay, if it is working properly. So have you found out any drawback here?
So there is so many employees. So we will write all employees.
Yeah, then suppose we have 100 jobs, 100 employees. So 100 employees, maybe we have 50 jobs. Okay. Then if you want to convert it, you can write it 50 jobs only. We don't have any option. We can write it 50 jobs. We want to convert each and every job as a different name.
Logical operators, relational operators, which
Does not possible. So that is the drawback here. What is that? So why we are not possible to use that? I have a one requirement. My requirement is, what is the requirement is, if the job is clerk, it display the CL. Display the CL. But which job means who are working under 10th department. Who are working under 10th department. So for that employee job is only converted into the CL. Up to now, how we can convert it? If the job is clerk, it is converted. But my requirement is, if the job is clerk, okay, then again it is check one more condition. The condition is, the person is working in under 10th department. Now the system want to check one more condition, 10th department. And also I want to check one more condition also, who are having less than 1500 salary, who are getting the salary less than 1500. So there are several conditions are I want to apply in my query. So in this point of time, the decode does not work. Sorry? So means under 10th department who are working as a clerk, that information I want to display here. That is my requirement. So that type of requirement we cannot possible to achieve while using decode. Decode does not work. Okay, we have several departments are there in employee table. Say example here. Okay, 10, 20, 30. Okay, my requirement is I want to convert this clerk as a CL, but here I want to check whether the person is working 10th department or not. If the person is 10th department, then only the clerk is converted as a CL. The person suppose working in 20 or 30, it does not convert. It is showing same data. So that is the drawback. That requirement we cannot achieve while using decode. So in this point of time, then we can go for next function is a case. Interview point of view, they are asking the question, what is the difference between decode and case? It's a very, very important question. Okay, clear? So then, now I want to explain this one. Here, in this case, it is used to replace more than one string. Same, what exactly decode is done, the same will be done here. Okay, but additionally using relational operator. That relational operators we cannot use in decode. That is a major difference, please keep in our mind. Okay, then how we can apply that case? So here we are going to apply the case, and here it is a specific condition. Case when, then we are specify the condition, then we are going to display the minute. Else we specify the default one. Finally we close the case, end case. Okay, then let it be. I will explain to you a simple manner. Okay, here select employee number, employee name, job. I'm using these 3 columns. Okay, then next I can go for case. Then here when, okay, case when, one second, I'm writing in a proper manner. When, then is there any, we directly apply the condition when. Here what is that? When job equal to clerk, when job equal to clerk and DEPT number equal to 10. I want to check multiple condition. Then display CLR. But here I can apply multiple conditions also. Then again I don't want to close. When, again I am writing one more condition. When job equal to manager and then here the DEPT number equal to 20. Who are working with under 20th department as a manager, I am going to display manager. Okay, that. Next I don't want to close. Again when job equal to salesman and department number equal to 30, then it is a display SMN. Okay, clear? Then finally I want to close else. So what is the last one? Else default means which one? I'm giving job. Else job. Okay, then now I'm giving alias name. So here we close the end case and here I'm giving the alias name case job. Okay, now from empty. So we want to close the end case, right? Okay, no need to write the case, just we write it end. So that is the alias name. Okay, Control S. Observe carefully, but here we are not getting the clarity who are working under 10th department. Now I want to add one more column. Job DEPT number. Observe this one. What is the condition? First condition. If the job is clerk, then you can search here. Then here the clerk, and here clerk, here clerk, here clerk. And also the condition is department 10. So if the clerk, it is not a 10th department data. That is the reason it doesn't change. Default it is print the job. Else job. That is the reason. Suppose here it doesn't change, but then it is going to read this one. Here it is a accepted, means the condition is satisfied. Then now it is print the CLR. Okay. Next, then it is check the second condition. When job equal to manager, then managers are there. Here there are 3 managers are there. In that 3 managers, what is the condition? Who are working under 20th department. Under 20th department, only one person is working, that is the Jones, that is inverted into the MGR. Next, go to another condition, when job equal to salesman under 30th department, then here it is going to find out the all salesmen are working under 30th department, all information is converted into the salesman. So next, else if in case not find out anyone, default it is print the job, same value. Next we are giving the close the case, for this case we close and specify the alias name for that column. Suppose you cannot give the alias name, the entire syntax, entire condition is coming as a alias name, sorry, as a column name. Suppose I will show you here, I don't want to give the alias name, what happened? Then here case, when, job, that is the reason, that is the reason. So as an end user doesn't possible to understand, that is the reason we are giving the alias name. Suppose here I can specify this way, what happened?
Only job will display. Default value is job.
Default value will be job. The remaining all will be converted, but the remaining all will be converted as a job. Okay. Instead of that job, I want to specify a different column name. So already we discussed that. Suppose say example, salary or manager or whatever it's name. Then here observe this one. Now it is not working. Now it is not working. Here it is showing inconsistent data type. No, data types. Data type means the respected job is a character data type, salary is a number data type. That is the reason. Suppose instead of that, here I am giving ename. Let it be check it whether it is working or not. But decode it does not check any data type. It is defaultly printed. But here it is check the data type. If the data type is mismatched, it doesn't show us. That is the reason. Okay, these are the just we want to understand how it is working. Clear, all of you? Then in this case we work with this case. So what is the difference between decode and case? Decode does not allow relational operator. Case is allow the relational operator. Both are working same. Both are follow the if condition, if then else condition. So what is the logic we want to use the if then else? How if then else is working? Same condition is going to approach. Okay, the same logic. So in this point of time we work with that case. Okay. Next we can go for substring. Next we can go for substring. Now you tell me I have a table, the table contains 5 records. Then okay, update, okay, then as per your answer I type it here. Update table set then G no means here it is display the G, but actual name is gender, right? Then gender equal to
Only one change.
then my requirement is I want to convert male as a female, female as a male. Suppose if you apply this one, what happen? So after that, how you change it to the male to female? Sorry, female to male? No one is not available in female. All will be converted as a male. Then how we can go to? So where we can use the and? Or where we can use the R? Here in this point of time we cannot possible to achieve this requirement while using that way. Okay, we have a specific way, that is here. I will explain to you. Update table. The table name is gen. What is the requirement? Set gender. Okay, set gender equal to decode. Decode of, okay, decode of which column you want to change? Gender. Then here male converted as a female, female converted as a male, female converted as a male, right? Now close this one. Now close this one and let it be check it. 5 rows are updated. Have you converted or not? It's a very important question. Interview point of they are asking this question. Without using decode, we can't possible to achieve that requirement. Just imagine, without using decode, what happened? The first statement it is changed, it is shows all males, but how we can go to find out which are the female as inverted to the male? This is the way only one way. Clear all of you? Interview point of they are asking this question. That is the reason I want to cover this one. Then next we can go for string functions. Yesterday somebody is asking, so how we can go to find out a particular string, right? So we have two string functions. One is inString, another one is substring. InString and substring. It is also important. So we regularly use these string functions in our real life. So here, observe this one, substring. Substring means it is used to display the set of characters from a given string. It is used to display the characters, display the set of characters from a given string. Set of characters. Suppose, say example, I am passing one string. I want to expect a set of characters from the given string. Suppose I am passing array. Okay, I want to retrieve only 3 characters from the given string. So from where to where, starting edge and ending edge. Okay, then how we can do that? Here we should pass 3 parameters. One is string, another one is position, another one is number of characters. Let us we check it. Select substring. Here I am giving array. Okay, then or else welcome. Suppose I am giving 1. Just I am giving 1. Only 2 parameters I want to pass here. Okay, from here. It is showing entire information, right? It is showing entire information. Here, then again I want to, suppose I am giving 4. Instead of 1, I specify 4. What happened? Let it be, check it. Last 4 or it is started from first 4. It is read to the get the data from first 4 onwards. So here the first 3 will be skip. Then it is started from here. 4, 5, 6, 7. From 4th position it is going to retrieve the data. That is the reason here it is clearly shows M is a position. From the 4th position it will retrieve the data. Suppose, say example, here I can specify 5. What is the 5th position here? O and retrieve the data ME. Oh my God. Welcome. Then here I am giving 5. From here. What is the 5th position? O-M-E. Suppose 7th. Suppose I am giving 7. I am giving 7. You only return. Suppose I am giving 8. What happened? No, we don't have any position in my string. I have only 7 characters. If you specify 8, it is not find out the position. Suppose 0. 0. Okay, it is started from 0. Okay. Suppose here I have one more question.
It is also same.
-1.
-1 position. So -1 is right side interesting. Okay.
Exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then -1, -2, -3, -4. Like that.
This one is 7.
Suppose here -4, -2, or whatever it may be.
Any displayed.
Suppose I am giving 5. Execute. I am using 3 parameters. Up to now I am using only 2 parameters. Suppose here 1, 4. The second parameter is a position, right? Second parameter is a position. N means number of characters. Means how many characters you want to retrieve from the string. That 1 to 4. 1 to 4 means what is the 1? This one. And 4 means C. Okay? Then let it be check it. One to 4. Suppose 4 to 5. 4, 5. 4, 5.
5 characters are not there. 7 characters.
4, 5. Then here I specify 4. Huh?
Also, one letter will come.
One iPhone.
4 to 5. 4 and
4 to 5.
4 and 5.
Then how the system is getting this one? So each and every person is having one thought. Then how it is come COME?
Based on string,
It is started from 4th position. Okay? Then how many characters you want to pick?
5.
But here how many characters from 4th position?
There is not any positions.
We have only 4 position. We don't have the 5th position. Suppose I am going to give 4, 2.
CO will be displayed.
CO will be displayed.
Based on string, how many are there?
4, 2.
CO.
It is find out the position. After the position, how many characters you want to print? All of you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then now I have a question. I can specify negative. Then -1.
Yes,
First it is find out the -1 position. Then
only
-2. -1, -2. Just check it in your material. You can write it how it is going to exit. First it is find out the position -1 is E. It is find out the E position. From E position, how many characters we want to print? But it doesn't show us anything, right? You said E, but here E doesn't show us.
-2
So
positions.
here
String has only positive value.
-1, -2, -3, right? But system how it is read? -1, 0 like that. It doesn't go back. It can always move forward.
String lo only positive values ఉన్నాయి.
Yes. Suppose say example -1, 2.
Only E displayed.
-1, 2.
Only
E of A.
Only E. Minus 1 it is recognized. After that, is there any value? No. That is the reason. Don't consider the positive values. Just upper side. Okay, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 like that. Here we don't have, right? And means 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 means under, upper means lower level. Okay? All of you clear or not?
minus 5, minus 6, minus 2.
1 second. Let it be, I will explain to you. Minus
6, minus 2.
minus 6 comma
Minus 2.
minus 2.
No.
So because of minus,
Taking a number, it is not
so it is find out the position minus 6. Okay, then it is find out the minus 6. So after that means no one character is there. Then always it is read here. This is the way you can understand. Always move forward, don't go back. Okay, move forward only, left to right only.
minus 6, 0.
6 comma 0. Done. Yes. 6 it is find out the position. The sixth position is 0 or what I meant. Sixth position is, I thought that no one is there. Means it is not find out anyone. 6 comma 0. We don't have any value. 0. It is find out the value sixth position, but we don't want to pick any value. 0. Suppose 6 1.
It is only one character display.
That is the reason. Always you can think about this way, means move forward. Okay, left to right. All of you clear? Substring, right? Interview point of view, they are going to asking the questions while applying the negative values. The first one is the string. The second one is the position of the string. Position of the character. Third one is number of characters from the given string. Okay. Next we can go for in string. In string. Okay. Here observe this. It is used to display the position number of a given string. Yesterday somebody is asking this question. It is used to find out the position of the given string. I want to find out the position of the given string. I have a string welcome. I want to find out what is the O position, or what is the L position, what is the C position, what is the E position, that line. So here we are going to observe. So first one is string, second one is character, which is the character we want to find, and third one is position, and the fourth one is occurrence. First we want to work with first 3 parameters, next we apply the fourth parameter. Select in string, okay, then welcome. In that welcome, I want to find out what is the position of L. What is the position of L? Then here I am specifying 1. What is the first position of L? So in one string you have multiple L's also, right? I want to find out what is the first position of our L. Three or not? Suppose here I can specify E.
Second position.
Observe. What is the first position of E? 2, right? This is the first position. Suppose here I can specify 2. What happened? It is an occurrence, right? It is a occurrence. It is a occurrence. When you want to find out the occurrence, then we can involve the fourth parameter. Fourth parameter. Then here observe this one. Suppose just one first position, first occurrence. First position, first occurrence means multiple times. Which is the character is repeated, that is nothing but a occurrence. Okay. First position, first occurrence. Then from it is started from first position and find out the first occurrence means second position. Second position is the first occurrence. Suppose 1, 2. First position, okay, second occurrence.
Position means
Then it is going to where exactly it is started. Where exactly it is started. From first position or suppose 3, 2. 3, 2. What is the value we are expecting? Huh? 3, 2. It is started from third position and find out the second occurrence. Have you find out the result?
no, from here to 3. No.
No. We don't have any second occurrence from the third position. Third position. Here it is started from third position. From third position, we have only one occurrence. 1 is L. Means here E is there on fourth position. From third onwards, it is find out the means here we can find out the seventh position. But how many times? Number of occurrence. But number of the second occurrence does not repeated from the fourth position. Suppose here we can specify 3, 1. 3, 1. Let it be. Check it. It is started from here, third position, and find out the first occurrence. Then this is the first occurrence. What is the position of that E? For entire string. Don't consider it from here. You can always consider the entire string. Means 7. Whenever if you want to find out the number of occurrences, then we should pass 4 parameters. Here, all of you.
Number of times.
Yeah, number of times. Repeated means occurrence.
Occurrence means first letter.
Yeah, first.
Leave
Second
that-
occurrence.
leave that one and second.
Second one, same character, second time. Second time. Clear? All of you? So in this manner we are working with these string functions. Okay? Yeah. So just okay. Now we can stop. Then we'll be next class will be discuss date functions. Okay? Next lesson will be discuss date functions.